Hello children, how are you all? Great day to all. Today we are going to say the one words of Unit 1. The topic is Tamil around the world. Okay, let us see. Fill in the blanks. First one, ancient Tamil Nadu shares its boundary with the sea three sides. Second one, we have trade contacts with the west from 3rd century BC. Third one, Rajendra Chola's naval expedition helps us to expand trade and cultural relations to the east. ரெண்டு தடவை ட்ரேட் கொடுத்துட்டேமா அதை கட் பண்ணிடு ஒரு தடவை ஓகே Fourth one, Sri Lanka is home to many Tamils. Fifth one, Indian Tamils moved Sri Lanka during 19th century to work in tea plantations. Sixth one, Tamil is also an official language of Sri Lanka. Seventh one, Koneshwaram temple has 1,000 pillars. Eighth one, Malaysia is a peninsula located in Southeast Asia. Ninth one of the biggest Hindu festivals in Malaysia is Thaipusam. 10th one, in 1828, a Mariamman temple was built in Singapore. Then 11th one, in ancient times, Tamil's ships reached the modern Malaysian state of Kedah. 12th one, Tamils influenced the cultural and political nature of Malaysia at the time of Pallava and Cholas. 13th one, Fiji is a group of volcanic islands in the South Pacific. 14th one, the Shivasubramanya temple is a Hindu temple located in Nadi, Fiji. 15th one, King Kayansita had good relations with the Chola kingdom of Tamil Nadu. 16th one, France was the first country to strive for the development of Mauritius. 17th one, Reunion is a part of the French Overseas Department. 18th one, Tamil sailed to many nations as traders and warriors. 19th one, Tamils in abroad feel proud to be a Tamil. 20th, Myanmar is our neighboring country. Then choose the best answer. First one, now Tamils are 10% of the total population in Mauritius. Second one, Reunion is an island located in the Indian Ocean near Mauritius. Third one, in Reunion Island, Tamils worked in tea and sugarcane plantations. Then fourth one, Tamils are noted for their hard work. Fifth one, there are two types of Tamils in Sri Lanka. Sixth one, many Tamils were brought from in and around Puducherry from 1731. Seventh one, the Lord Murugan statue at the foot of Bathu Caves is the second tallest Hindu deity statue in the world. Eighth one, the World Tamil Conference was held 3 times in Malaysia. Ninth one, Indian Sanmarga Madhar Sangam was formed in the year 1938. 10th one, French brought many Indians to Mauritius in the year 1729. 11th one, Tamil is one of the educational language in Malaysia. Then match the following. First one, Malaysia Peninsula. Second one, Mariamman Temple 1828. Third one, Bathu Caves, Limestone Hill. Fourth one, Tamil Heritage Month, January. Fifth one, Angkor Wat Mountain Temple. And then write the true or false. First one, Tamils are noted for their hard work too. Second one, an inscription in Tamil belongs to 13th century AD was found in Fiji. False. Third one, King Ashoka was a famous king of Myanmar. False. Fourth one, The Sivasubramania temple is a Hindu temple located in Nadi, Fiji. True. Fifth one, the World Tamil Conference were held to discuss the growth of the Tamil language 4 times in Malaysia. False. Glossary. First one, expedition, a journey for the purpose of war. Second one, peninsula, an area of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. Third one, slave, a person who is forced to obey his or her owner. Fourth one, multiculturalism, the different cultural groups in a society. Fifth one, riot, a violent crowd of people that disturb peace. Sixth one, strive, try hard. Seventh one, mere, unimportant. Eighth one, trader, a person whose business is buying and selling. Ninth one, warrior, a soldier. Tenth one, elevate, to lift up. Answer in a single word. First one, which temple's tower is made in Dravidian style? Ananda temple. Second one, when did the Indian Sanmarga Madar Sangam form? 1938. Third one, what was the first country to strive for the development of Mauritius? France. Fourth one, when did Mauritius was captured by England? 1810. Fifth one, which is beautiful rock building of the 19th century? Port Louis. Sixth one, where is the postal museum located? Mauritius. Seventh one, who is the father of nation in Myanmar? King Anavartha Minsa. Okay. Then eighth one, which is one of the biggest Hindu festival in Malaysia? Thaipusam. Ninth one, name the temple which has 1,000 pillars. Koneshwaram temple. 10th one, name some countries that India had trade and cultural relations. Egypt, China, Myanmar, Japan, Rome. Rome, R should be capital. Capital R போடணும் நம்ம. 11th one, name the countries in which Tamil is one of the official language. Sri Lanka. Name any one country. Okay, amma question, name the countries. Name any one country in which Tamil is one of the official language. Sri Lanka. Okay, thank you.